There's a Jimmy Clifton song. It's I think you look gorgeous. That's horrible. I'm slaughtering it. Anyway, he's saying, I have a wife. You look gorgeous. Get away from me. I don't want anything to do with you. So these shutters look gorgeous, but I want them to get away from me because they're the wrong color. We got to have them this color. And they went for the tans and the grays. So see what happens. I got some ideas. I ebonized my cedar shutters, and sometimes with the ebonizing solution, if it's too old or gets too watered down, or you sand the wood differently, there's so many different things that affect it. It can be really light in color. So this is the ebonized of the new shutters. This was the test shutter that I did. You can see how dark that was. So I just sanded this with the palm sander. This one I ran through the drum sander and got more of a smooth surface. So I'm not sure exactly what happened, but I need it dark. I need this and this. Let me show you how I did it. Here we go. Hey, if you guys like and subscribe, that would just be bananas. Bananas. So a lot of you guys commented I should try black tea last time I did the ebonizing video. So that's what I did. This is my ebonizing solution. You can see it's got kind of a reddish tint from the rust. So that's what gave me, I think they're beautiful. They just don't work for this project. So thankfully we had a crap load of black tea. So this has been steeping for about an hour. Put a bunch of bags in there. I did steep one for 15 minutes and brought it down here. And I just took the tea bag and rubbed it on these two, or these three. And you can see how much it darkened it. And this one, I just did tea. I didn't do the tea bag. And you can see, I just did this, so it's still drying. But you can see here and here, it's night and day. So I think we're going to get nice and black. Pretty excited. So I'm going to go ahead and brush just tea on the whole thing. Let it dry and make sure it gets dark the way we want it. And then I'll go back and do all of them. Tomorrow's install day, I hope. All right. Wow, these darkened up real good. This is what they used to look like. Shocking. Pretty cool. Just need to water seal them and put them on the house. Love it.